Hi everyone, welcome to Rama's kitchen. I'm going to show how to make green peas egg fry. Ingredients required to prepare green peas egg fry are 1 cup of green peas, 2 eggs, oil, 2 green chilies, chili powder, salt and coriander powder. Coming to the procedure, first we have to cut green chilies into pieces and we have to keep it aside. Now we have to take a pan and we have to add 2 tablespoons of oil to it. We have to wait until oil gets heated. Once the oil is heated, now we have to add green chili pieces. And now we have to add 1 cup of green peas. And we have to fry these for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we have to add 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 tablespoon of salt, and we have to mix it. Now we have to break the eggs. And we have to mix it. And we have to cook it for 5 minutes. Once the egg is fried, now we have to add a half teaspoon of coriander powder. And we have to mix it. And now we have to switch off the flame and take it into a serving bowl. So the tasty green peas egg fry is ready. You can have directly or you can have with rice. And thank you for watching this video.